It's Huey with Huey's Handyman Service. I was just letting you know that if you find out your air conditioner is not working and it's charged, but since with the bad hot weather we've been having, and you got to make sure that your radiator, it gets bugs and stuff in it. You got to make sure it's clean. You take a water hose and rinse out. The bugs and dirt and grime. It'll be right here in the front. If this if the air conditioner cooler doesn't cool, hey, can you pull that water hose a little bit? Then it's not gonna. I washed some of this out, but you can see right there, there's still stuff in there. I found out the air conditioner wasn't getting cold, but it was full of Freon. This basically works on everything that has an air conditioner. Everything that has Freon on it. So if your air conditioner at home, your central air is not getting as cold as you think it should be, go outside and check the condenser outside and make sure it's not clogged up. I've had the same problem with my air conditioner at home, and they charged me $150 to come wash it out, which is unnecessary. And that's why I had to put the this is Huey's Handyman Service. If you like it, share. You just take the grill out. You can see underneath here. You can see where the bugs go underneath there. Just wash it out. You can see up here better, but just clean it all out. It might take you a little while, but be worth your money. Save you some money. Thanks for watching. Share this video and like. If you need anything done, call Huey'sHandyman.com.